Don't go in a circle. Up and back. You're gonna gouge it going on the circle. Up and back.
You want me to go back and get these nail shots?
Mm-hmm. Looking good, man. Let me knock out that hump real quick. I didn't hit that hump. Okay.
Huh?
I had intended on just taking this down, but the further I go, the further I see that it's rotting under there, so I think I'm just going to have to just grind it out and just put a new piece in.
Alright.
Yeah. I wanted to leave it and just glass over it, but it's black and rotten underneath. I know it's rotten underneath, so I might as well just grind it all out. So here we go.
You want me to do it?
Oh, I got it, little guy. Thanks, though. Thanks for the offer. I'm glad I didn't leave that, because look, I was going to glass over that, man. I sure am glad I didn't leave it. That's this dirt where dirt got in. I don't even think that's rotted wood. I think this piece set across and over to, no, but it was fiberglass. Oh, dirt came in where the fiberglass came away. Maybe that's what it is, because I don't think that's, you recording? Huh? You recording? I don't think that's not rotted wood, that's dirt. So wherever the crease was, mud maybe made its way in there. So that's like, that doesn't seem like it's rotted wood. Anyway, I'm glad we got it out. Let me finish this off real quick. Huh? I need some glasses. I'm too close. It's pushing it back in my face. Here. I'll go get some. That's him. I don't wear them anyway. Piece right here is the piece that comes out for that back seat. Well, there go the glasses. Okay, so maybe this will give you guys a better idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, if you look on this side, you'll see that this wood piece is fiberglass, and what happened is, on this side, I must have cut that when I was taking out the seat. So on this side, if you look, that's what I was talking about, filling in the void right here, and then laying over, fiberglassing over it. And this is what I was talking about on the transom. I grinded it down so you can see. I'm gonna fill in this void, and there's a hole right here too, which on this side it doesn't come through, but on the other side it comes, that is the hole will come through. So what I want to do is fill this void with peanut butter all the way up. And I don't know if this is prepped enough. I think I should hand sand it a little bit now that I grinded it. I think I should hand sand it just to get the rest of the gray off. And then I can fill it in with peanut butter. I'm going to grind it a little bit more, but not much. So I want to leave as much as that. You can see all the holes and cracks. Well, not cracks, but the holes and stuff up and down. So I'm going to grind it a little more. And that'll be that. And this is like where a spot where my old electronics was. And I don't know, how do I fix this? Do I fill that up? Like, do I drill this out? Drill these holes out and fill it with peanut butter? Is that how you fix that? Okay, thanks. You ready to go, huh, son? You.
I'm ready to stay and work. This is what I came here for.
Oh, God. He just, off camera, he was talking about his shoulder hurt, his knee hurt. He needed a Tylenol because he had a headache. You just a minute ago.
Fine, I'm ready to work.
He was all tore up, but he had enough strength to go across the street and play basketball with the little kids over there.
When did I ever say this? That's not proven. When you said that.
Oh my gosh. He's ready to go. He's ready to go. Hey, grinding ain't for everybody, man.
I'm trying to help you with the boat.
Grinding ain't for everybody. Grinding ain't for everybody.
Holding the camera is a very hard job.
Oh, God.
So, I want to get into the grinding stuff, but I see you're tired.
Oh, my God. Oh, God. If I could only hand you off camera.
What are you talking about? I've been saying this the whole time.
Oh, my God.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
We'll go, man. I know you're ready.
Oh, put the camera down. What?
Let's get busy then. You ready?
Huh?
We can get that whole section done.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys. Oh, my God. I told you. Okay, I think I asked you guys this before. But now it's kind of getting down to crunch time where I got to really make a decision on what I'm going to do with this. This looks like PVC. And I'm thinking about grinding this out and just putting in a new piece. But I don't know what it's meant to do. Because this up here is blocked. Water can't go in there. And this right here, I think would have been blocked if I didn't grind this down. But my question is, what's the function? So what I was saying is, I had to switch storage. I ran out of storage on the SD card. I had to switch to the main storage. But anyway, what I was saying is, what's the functionality of this tube? This is we're at the bow. The question is, should I replace this, grind it out and replace it with another one, a new tube? And is this right here supposed to be open somehow, or is this hole supposed to be covered up? And then I just don't understand. Hey, here we are, guys. Man, we're getting close. We probably got maybe another day or two. I know, another day of grinding, and then I'm gonna wash it out, let it dry, and then one more day of grinding after I wash it and dry it, just to make sure that I got everything. Because even when you blow it, that residue is still hanging. That fiberglass dust residue is still hanging around. But man, all I got really left is this upper section right there. I'm gonna do that upper section. I already did this side upper, but that right there. We ready to go. Watch this. I'm ready to go. Watch this. Hey, Markel, I think we should do one more section.
Mom.
Oh, you gotta be home before dark?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, but I'll be like, hey, maybe one day.
Oh, boy.